It was a Friday night at a honky-tonk outside of town. They had a 4-band bill with the Cats really laying it down. Yeah, the dance floor was filled with the boppers really getting down. When up comes the owner, a cussing and a wearing a frown. He said, I hope you're having fun, I hope it's what you came here for. You've been getting $5 from everyone who walks in the door. But the bartender's lonesome, he hadn't had a drink to pour. And the waitress just quit, she said we didn't need her no more. This ain't no coffee house, ain't got time lemonade. And I couldn't give a damn about whatever was the music you played. And I really don't care about whatever was the deal we made. There better be some drinking if you're thinking that you're gonna get paid. Well, just about then there was a grandma playing the slots. And the bell started ringing when Grandma hit the jackpot. Grandma screamed, said, I'm as lucky as can be. So leave the band alone, buy everyone a drink on me. This ain't no coffee house, ain't got time lemonade. And I couldn't give a damn about whatever was the music you played. And I really don't care about whatever was the deal we made. There better be some drinking if you're thinking that you're gonna get paid.